Okay, guys, I just want to make you a quick video and just show you these XLR cables, male to female. Here, right here, as you can see, see how they come. It did come in a 2-pack, just like you see here. Made very well, I have to say. I like this kind of feel to it. That way it doesn't kink. You don't worry about any noise, and they're made extremely, extremely well. So if you have some noise in your lines, I think these will do it. They slide right in and slide out. Slide in and slide out. They're like coated. Very, very smooth operation. I love this look of this. This really looks well made. Again, these are 6 feet long, each one of them, and I did get a 2-pack that came in the mail just like this here. I did test them out, and I like them very, very much. So I just wanted to make a video to show you what they look like. This is what they look like inside. And like I said, they do work perfectly.
Now I'm doing a quick cutaway. I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's hooked up to my microphone. I'm talking to you on this right now, and down the boom arm and right down into my cloud lifter and then into my Focusrite 2i2. Absolutely beautiful. No more hum, no more noise. You have to get better quality cables, and this stuff is awesome.
They connect really, really well and really smoothly. If I can just show you here quickly right here, snap this together. You can just see how that just snaps in and snaps out. And I like this big button here. A lot of these, you really can't get this button to work well. And this one here, you can. You can just see how smooth the operation is. Super smooth and super easy to open and close. And that's a real pain in the butt when it's not really like that. So these really work well. I definitely highly recommend these. If you're looking for XLR cables, these are the ones to go to. Thanks for watching my review.